I'm happy to introduce today the new 326P teleloader. A teleloader is a new product in our lineup. It is built off the compact four-wheel drive loader that we've offered to our compact construction equipment customers and dealers for about 20 years now. But what's all new is that this has a telescoping boom. So it may remind people of a telehandler, quite a bit different. Interestingly, this 326 that we brought to the market last year is built on the popular and proven 324. We've been building those in Austria, like I said, for a couple generations now. Very popular where you need a compact loader. Compact loaders offer a couple advantages over skid steers. They're more maneuverable, less ground disturbance, much better entry and egress. It's a higher price point, but there's some applications where it's going to do more. And a teleloader can really unlock even more of that versatility. 326P is part of our P-tier performance tiering lineup. So it has the performance features that you'd expect from a John Deere, top of the line creature comforts. We see fully air conditioned cab, suspension seat, excellent visibility. This also has the John Deere stereo steering, which is super maneuverable. You see the tie bars from the articulation joint to the rear axle, which offer, in addition to the articulation, some rear axle steer. Keeps the machine both stable, but just helps it be really maneuverable. Probably top question we get is how high can it lift and how much can it lift? That's real important to explaining what kind of work you can do with the John Deere teleloader. 16 feet and 4,000 pounds. The reason we brought it to the area this year is to show that John Deere's innovating, offering new machines that can unlock new ways of doing work for contractors. One of the core markets that's really easy to see the fit with is ag material handling. If you think about people that have livestock to feed mixer to fill, feed mixer sides can be 12, 14 feet high. So rather than having to invest in a full-size construction loader, this machine would be a perfect way to do more work, lift more with a smaller footprint machine. We hope customers that are interested would visit Deere.com to learn more about the 326P teleloader. Thank you for letting me talk with you about it today.
For the latest in construction equipment, sign up for our daily newsletter. Just click the link below.